Welcome. So, advanced placement would go digital for the year 2025 for 9 of the subjects. However, AP is planning to go digital for various further subjects. Those are the 6 other subjects in 2026. So, starting 2026, if you are aspiring for 2026, these are the subjects that would turn digital. However, your preparation strategy won't differ a lot because the paper pattern and the way in which the examination is conducted is exactly the same. You would have the set of MCQs followed by FRQs for most of the papers, and the paper pattern for all the subjects would be as it was for the pen and paper based system. The only thing here is it would reduce the burden for conducting paper based examination. Note that since it is going digital, it does not mean that you won't be you will be allowed to appear at home. No, you would have to go to the respective centers and there would be a proctor who would be working with you. The same numbers of proctors would be assigned as it was for the pen and paper based examination. So here are some of the list, and again, going digital also does not mean that you can sign into your system anytime. The exam dates would be the same. The timing at which you would sign in would again remain the same. So these are the 6 more subjects that would turn digital in 2026, and these are confirmed, and these are for the territories across US and outside US. And as we already mentioned, for 2025, these are the list of 9 subjects which have already gone digital and would be in a digital mode for 2025 examination. To practice more and to get more information on MCQs and FRQs, we do recommend to visit Doorstep Tutor, where you have the solutions for the past year papers as well, where FRQs, the way of answer writing, and sample answers have been curated for you. So thanks for joining in. Have a wonderful day.